ओके, तो अब हम लोग जो डॉल बना लिए हैं टिश्यू पेपर से, हमने डॉल को कवर कर दिया था इसकी मॉम के पार्ट को। अब हम लोग उसका जो चाइल्ड का पार्ट है हम उसे बनाएंगे। उसके लिए हमें जो नीचे एक छोटा सर्कल लेना है। मॉम का पार्ट बनाने के हमने एक नीचे बेस में बड़ा सर्कल बनाया था, अब छोटा सर्कल बनाना है डॉल के ड्रेस के लिए। तो मैं ऐसा एक ग्लास ली हूँ। हम लोग एक न्यूज़पेपर रोल लेंगे और उसे ग्लास के साइड में लपेट लेंगे। ओके, now for making the doll, for making the child, we have to make a small dress. For the mom part we have made a larger dress, for the child we have to make a small dress. So I have taken a small circle to make its base, and I will take a newspaper roll and I will roll it around this glass. I will stick it with glue. I will seal the ends with glue properly so that it won't come out. If you want, you can apply a whole layer of glue all over. So here I got a small circle. Okay, this will be going to be the child's base. Now I'll keep the small circle aside. And now I'll take newspaper rolls. For making the mom, we have used the whole newspaper rolls, but the child is going to be small, so I will cut the newspaper rolls into half for making the child. Here I'm cutting it into 2 halves. If after cutting your newspaper roll seems to open like this, then don't let it open and seal it with Fevicol. So I'll cut this one also into half. And if it opens like here it opens, so I'll seal it with glue. So for this, for the mother, we have taken seven rolls altogether. Okay, but for the child we will take 5 rolls. Okay, for the child we don't need to take 7 rolls, rather we will take 5 rolls only. Here I have cut 5 rolls. So now what we need to do is we will measure 5 centimeter from the bottom. Not 5, we'll measure 7 centimeter. 7 will be okay. We'll measure 7 centimeter from the bottom, so it will come up to this. Okay, and like we have done the mom part, we will put some glue here and we will take a newspaper roll and we will tie the whole bundle together like this. We will seal it. Now we have sealed it. Now what we need to do is we need to take out our 5 centimeter wires. Okay, I have told you to cut your wires into 5 centimeter. So we will take 5 centimeter wires, and in the bottom part we will insert it. I have inserted one wire. Then you need to put some glue and fold so that the wire won't come out. We have to seal it. Okay. So the second wire. A frock like structure. Okay. Like we gave in the mom doll, we folded it in a semicircle like structure. We need to take one and fold it. You all have done it before while making the mom. You need to fold it like this. Okay. So I'll fold all of that. Okay, I have folded all of them like this. Now we will take our small round. We have made this round before also. We will take this small round, and what we need to do is we need to stick these small rounded newspaper rolls over this round. Okay, we need to leave some gap between the two. So I'll stick this one first. You need to stick one and hold it for some time. Then you can stick the next one. It is the same process as we have made the mother doll. Only the difference is in the mother doll, for the dress we have taken a U-shape newspaper and we have extended the dress, but for the child you don't need to take that U-shape. Okay. Like this, we have stuck all the dolls together. Okay, look, you need to let it dry before going to the next step. So this one is her dress, the child's dress, and now we will make the child's body. For this we need to take another newspaper roll. Okay, we need to take another newspaper roll and we will cut it in half as we have done earlier. We will cut it in half and we will take one part and join it here a little above. Okay, a little above her body. We will keep a little gap and we will stick it here. Like this. Okay, this is the shoulders. So you must leave some space between her shoulders and her waist, the baby's waist. So I have kept this much of space between the shoulders and the waist, and I'll seal it with Fevicol. Okay. Okay, so after making the child's body up to this, what you need to do is you need to make the child's head. Now the child's head we will make with aluminium foil as we have made the mom's head. Okay, so I'll take some aluminium foil and I'll cross it to make a round shape. Now for the mom's head, what we have done is we have taken a small aluminium foil for her hair, but for the child you don't need to take any kind of hair, only you need to make a ball and make her head. Okay, so you can make your aluminium foil ball according to the size of your child's body. If your body is big, child's body is big, then you can make a big aluminium foil ball. If your child's body is small, you can make a small aluminium foil ball. Okay, so now I'm going to take another 5 centimeter or another small wire. Now I'll insert this wire. I'll insert this wire on the back side of the child's body. Okay, on the backbone. You may call it backbone. So I have to insert this wire on the backbone of the child. I'll press it. I'm not pressing it with my hands because it may hurt me. So I'm pressing it with some kind of thing, like I'm pressing it with the scissor. Now after I have inserted inside this, I will bend it like this. I will bend it a little more. Okay, so you can see a little bend is there in the child's body. I have bent it a little in order to give a real life like structure. Now what we need to do is you can stick the face afterwards. First you need to make the frock. So how will you make the frock? You have to take any kind of rough paper and cut it into small pieces. Like I have cut it into this much small, or you can cut it into even more small pieces like this. And now you need to take one piece and you need to stick it like this. Okay, you need to give a frock like structure over her body. You don't need to stick this paper over her body part. Okay, only you need to stick this paper on a frock and not on the body. So you are getting me? Only you have to stick this paper on the down frock part. You don't have to stick this paper on the body. You can use Fevicol wherever needed, and you have to, I'll tell you how to do the hand part. For this we will cut our newspaper roll into half as we did earlier. Okay. Okay, so we need to keep the hands straight. Here the child's hands will be straight actually, like this. So I will make it a little more short. I will cut it from here and here Now it is okay. Now what we have to do is we need to insert wire. So you may be having 5 meter wires left with you. If you don't have 5 meter wire left, then you can cut some more 5 meter wires. Here I am inserting a long wire instead of 5 meter wire, but if you are inserting 5 meter wire, you can insert one wire from this side and you can insert another wire from this side. Okay. Now I'll seal the ends so that the wire won't come out. From this side also I have sealed the end. Now we need to give it a round like shape. We need to bring the hands forward like this, so it will look something like this. So we will apply glue here and we will stick it over her shoulders that we have made. It will look something like this. Okay. Now we need to complete the dress part. After we complete applying all these papers here, after that we can apply a layer of tissue paper as we did in the mother doll, and then the child is also completed. Okay, so you can see here I have completed sticking the papers over this dress like this. Now we will start sticking the tissue paper. Okay, likewise we have done in the mother, we will do here. We will tear the tissue paper into halves because the girl's dress, the child's dress, is not very big, it is small. So I'll fold it and then you need to give some folds, so her dress will really look like a dress like this. I folded it and then I have taken glue and water mixture, equal amount of glue and equal amount of water, and I will apply it so that it will stick to the paper. The extra part that is left at the bottom, you can flip it and the inside part. Okay. Like this you need to cover the whole body and the whole dress with tissue paper. like this. I've covered the dress with tissue paper. Now I'll take more tissue paper and I'll cover its body. For body, I am not making it too thick, so I have half the tissue paper, and again I will cut it and then I will stick it over the child's body. You don't need to make the child look like very fat, or it should not look odd. That is why you should apply a thin layer of tissue paper, not a very thick layer. And you should use glue water to seal it. If your glue water is very watery, or you have not poured the glue properly in proportion, then your tissue paper will not stick and it will come out. Okay, so you need to be careful in this process. Here my glue water is finished, so I am making a little more. Then we will also cover the hands, but remember we need to cover it with only one layer of tissue paper, otherwise it will look very thick. I am taking some tissue paper and folding it, and I am making a thick part at the front, and I will seal it with this glue paste. We will do it on the other hand, and then our child dolls will also complete. We will just stick the head and then it will complete. So this is how you can make the child. Okay, this is how you can make the child. Tomorrow we will stick the child and the mom together. We will paint